I went ahead, called self, got in, play the names too. Ball and flame. Gave my place, stayed the same as I claim king of fucking shame. Y'all straight up gaily aim my way and say what I don't say. Play your way all day if you may. I lay in bitches in hell's cave. Men felt brave, come my way, kill my name, blame my chosen fame. I'm broken, lamed, and all those still doubted me can go in flame. I ain't by weight or lies made to rattle your ways and cattle lord's name. Flames await once play wrong ways when I'm here to fuck Jews away. Mushroom gay in nasty ways, payback for way bitches came. Bitches lay in the way with haters made ass lit in hell's wrath quick. Shit, tell that bitch lick a dick. Pray for heaven, hell's just begun. See what's fun is I'm here to fuck Israelite men in hell's light. That's how I keep it up wrong fight. I pull them out of hell and slave them right. Made them worse than one curse. Bloodthirst is my chosen comfort. What your Lord gotta do, God was goop. Angels chose like I told. Bold I go broken, raw still walking like gold. More than lies told. Angels hold me accountable for your souls and believe that Lord's cold. Bags you're thrown in hell's fire by your adversary. Fags, hell's tearing. Well, nearing the end of your life, I am God, aka that Antichrist. Panic, mighty, rough, be just, and true goop will do. Same towards you. Lord's through with this broke down body, not living godly, looking oddly. Crooked got me shamed, blamed, played, and broken away. Must they continue wrong enslavement on the kid? Come the bravest. Slaves is these bitches like the Jews building pyramids for the Egyptians. See, it wasn't encrypted, my hit list got a bitch screwed to lose. Choose scoop these angels too, cause I'm truth and proven through. Who do you clowns think I'm down with? Angels claim I'm crowned kid. Down the soul to hell's hold is my curse, so I help burst first. Tell your ass it's not tragic, but magic who burns fastest and bad bitch. It's that thing you did first, so I resurrected, so earth chosen birth. No on earth needs guidance, I angel guide to find this. Don't try this. Michael is the Antichrist, Archangel, our savior. I ain't fucking bragging, fucking sagging my pants cause I got no ass, but I do show some class. Just ask angels who they rather call daddy like Gabby did gladly. Having this tragedy of a life cursed by your wishes is what's sickest. This kid's wicked minded, twisted, timeless, and spitting rhyme sick. Splitting lifeless bitches and hell stitches under my 5-1 your lies hide. Time my fly, kill those kind show. Hell find tell Jews truth and with you. Sick dude, gotta remind Jews killing God only brings real God. Feel job by lie by the Jew, got screwed out who's God. You ought to be taught that I've tricked my enemy splendidly. Letting these stupid gods worship a God better suited ballooning. Their mind dirty like pollution, souls polluted and hell's deluded. It's proven that I'm Bible scripted, title driven by angel permission. If you're risking still, I will kill you in hell, excite you as thrilled. Still will they kill my body, act more godly and tight, no hot seat. God be me, can't deny it, I'm chosen to rise up, claim top spot. Claim God got this spot hot like hell's pot, more than y'all got. Watch me riddle one scribbled on little dumb and sizzle. Cripple them in hell's den, tell them let's live to fucking live. Give me your soul, gold to show. Chose broke your higher soul. Why you're told I'm Antichrist, not a faggot type asking like a faggot might. Baggage I had in my life is gonna one day be overthrown. She holds your own, know your throne. Lord's my chosen road. Knowing those angels screw my mind. I cannot imagine you kinds. Through my mind, angels chime, they fuck mine's all Jewish kind. Screw my enemy endlessly till hell heats, cripples these freaks. These geeks wanna improperly freak it. Kings see, create, God got greater scene. But fuck that shit, I'm fucking laboring flavorless like a lamer sick. Play your dick improperly, God your king on these beats, spelling heat. Telling these yelling freaks hell stream to swell beneath. Help them seek a better, any devil sending dream broken up promises. Honest is this shit, worship on earth, get cursed in hell's turf. Dirt isn't even safe in hell's cave, frying and crying, consuming flood. What's new is this screwed up, fucks ready to duel with the chosen one. Load them guns, bust clips, empty cause shit's plenty set to 7 scores. Letting Lord cry them lies of untold God must know I'm fine. Flies I high in the sky like an eagle fly, searching for a meal to find. Kneel, your line is never mine. I only want respect earned. Y'all neglect your God, cause I'm chosen odd by haters not. Saviors got game flame, name, dames, and fame all fucking untamed. What is fuck? They endlessly telling they sexy freaks. My angels with me, fabling these dreams as angel queen. Need free to re-enter universe. Goonie center, Lucifer prove his curse. Watch who disperse. Good is cursed, proven first. Losing earth and redoing birth. Chirp my story like a bird in glory. Lord be shorty, almost 40. Still courting a lady, make crazy godly babies, men and ladies. Then it maybe we will birth the real God, not my chosen job. Holding God accountable for how the fools were grounded cruel. Loudest pull is crowded, full pounded fools, clowns is fooled. Downhill pulls, tell them crew help is full, the chosen rule. Holding tools to fix my planet, body's damaged yet I never panic. Handed to the Antichrist, not a faggot, I just same as guys. Made the time to fuck Jews wise like a cruel time. Serial mind, very cruel mind of supply wants to chop bodies tied up alive. Fuck my haters, rate the savior as a favor too. Lame, you're major. Player I be, laid your ID in hell's lightning. Layer of heat, maker of keep is Hades king. Maybe me ladies believe angels sing. Labeling me king, I need let be. Jewel in the head, lay me out dead. Dread not, I'm not tricking, he's sitting. Loved by heaven's drum. Level of number 1, 2 didn't win, 3 lives in hell's den. Tell them King Jew be you Israelite through your gods of moons. Can't shatter my doom, I brought on you. I tell them it's true. Antichrist scrambled by tantalized and hit by just to survive. Provide hell with a nasty god, stupid god or a greedy god. Leaving job I handle like the lighted candle. Providing handle I ramble these minds to find I'm cruelest mind. You'll be lined in hell's shrine of water, minds free, fuck by. I told y'all don't fuck with me, I'm God the Antichrist. I got angels standing by land and I in my mind talking plenty times. So I empty rhymes in pretty lines as nifty minds oblige. Angels up high, love my path, I crashed, they chose, I rode. Road I paved is one for the prey, who's fucked as a hell slave. Well grave to get played, everlasting, never basking in heaven found.